and securing scholarships can be a significant milestone in our academic journey. Well, we want to ease the financial burden and we want to open the doors to opportunities with some financial scholarships, merit-based scholarships, and financial aid. So today, we are going to dive into strategies and insight to help you into understand the scholarships landscape as well as admission process at the top 3 Australian institutions. A very warm welcome, University of Sydney, Monash University, and UNSW. Hello and welcome to our special guests, parents and students who've taken time out to join here today with us and be with us here today. I am Hima Mal and I am the founder of Ikigaii Education Services and I am a career coach. I am thrilled to be your host today as we embark on this journey to meet and master the admission process and scholarships at these top Australian universities. Australia is top in demand right now. And Australia has also become very tough to get in. So Australia is becoming very tough with papers. Australia is becoming very tough in selection process. So Australia is all over the place. So as much as Australia gives you a very, very good life, work-life balance, a country which is away from geopolitics, a country which is great to have a work-life balance, which gives you in the long run an opportunity to study, work, stay if you are a good student, gives you amazing scholarships. And Australia is my first love. Australia is a great country to go work, study, settle, and come. And Australian universities, the process of being there, process of getting admission into Australian universities, you'll get a deeper insight when we move to each university delegate and our today's special guest. So over to fact that I'm an educator, and I have been doing this for the last 28 years. I have an experience of 28 years of guiding students towards their academic excellence. I help students to understand the courses, the colleges, what they love and what they are good at, whether in India or abroad, and then they decide whether they want a plan A India or a plan A outside, or a plan A becomes plan B as time moves. So well, with an experience of over 2 decades of learning outside the classroom and wealth of knowledge in profile building, course selection, scholarships, and application processes, and a passion for empowering students, I am committed to helping students create their narrative and excel in what they are passionate about. Well, so a little bit about Ikigai. We work with